my name is Amethyst with WTI, and if you take your cat's health seriously, then starting with their food is such an important part of a cat's health. And I'm going to share with you guys today the one that I use for my cat that I have noticed has done wonders for his health. This is the Instinct Raw brand. This is their original grain-free kitten chicken pate recipe. I love this so very much, and of course, so does my cat. He goes absolutely ballistic for this stuff. I usually will split one small can into 2 servings and add in some kibble and water to kind of make it a nice full meal for him. But he just really loves this, and I love that the ingredients list is so clear. So our first 4 ingredients is chicken, chicken broth, salmon, and beef liver. The clarity on that is so amazing. I also love that they don't use any type of grains or fillers that are like not healthy for cats. So I do love that I can trust the ingredients for this, that they're going to be healthy and safe for my cat. I love that it has the little like easy to open tab. I just despise can openers, and so having that is very essential for me. So I just love this food so very much. My cat is so healthy on it. He loves it so very much. I've never had any issues with him eating it. The pate mixture is really nice for him as well since he is a bit younger. I just love it, and I cannot recommend it enough. If you also have a growing kitten, check with your vet, make sure there's nothing that your cat will be allergic to and that they recommend it as well. And if it is a go, then I highly recommend it, and that is my point of view.